Do you know frozen bananas are better than fresh ones? For some recipes, I'll show you why and how to freeze bananas in this video. Let's have some fun. Hi foodies, I'm John from Bloggin Good Food. Today we'll learn how to freeze bananas. Why freeze bananas? Freezing bananas has many benefits. You can make smoothies that are thick and sweet. Frozen bananas make them creamy without ice or yogurt, and they are easy to measure. Bake yummy things with banana flavor. Muffins, pancakes, banana bread, frozen banana make them better. Ready to freeze? Here are 2 ways to do it. Step 1. Take off the peels and cut your bananas into small pieces. They should fit in a blender. Step 2. Put the pieces on a baking sheet with parchment paper. This keeps them apart. Step 3. Put the sheet in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours or until hard. Step 4. Move the frozen pieces to a freezer bag and take out the air. Write the date on it. Stay organized. Step 1. Take off the peels but keep the stems. They are easy to hold. Step 2. Put the whole bananas in a freezer bag. No baking sheet need. Step 3. Take out the air, close the bag and write the date. Don't forget, frozen bananas don't last forever. Tip and tricks. Tip number 1. Brown is good. Don't worry if your bananas have spots. They are great for freezing. They get sweeter as they get older. Tip number 2. Mix it up. Freeze different sizes. Pieces for smoothies. Slices for nice cream. Whole for baking. Tip number 3. Have fun. Add cocoa powder, nuts or peanut butter to your frozen slices for more taste. Tip number 4. Thaw right. For smoothies, use frozen bananas right away. For baking, let them warm up a little. That's it folks. Check out our website blogginggoodfood.com for more cool recipes and tips. And leave a comment below and tell us how you like to use frozen bananas.